If your headset microphone isn't blocking out enough background noise, the problem may not actually be your headset. And this is one of the biggest misconceptions people have when buying a headset. A lot of people think if they buy a headset that says noise canceling microphone, it should completely remove all background noise. Unfortunately, that's not the reality, no matter the marketing claims. Because not all noise canceling microphones are created equally, and even the best noise canceling headset microphones still have limitations depending on the environment you're in. So in this video, I'm going to show you what those limitations look like, why some environments are harder than others, and how noise canceling software can dramatically improve your microphone quality without replacing your headset. First, instead of me telling you all about it, let's actually hear what this sounds like.
When sunlight hits raindrops, they act as a prism and form a rainbow. The rainbow splits white light into many colors, shaping a high arch with ends beyond the horizon. When sunlight hits raindrops, they act as a prism and form a rainbow. The rainbow splits white light into many colors, shaping a high arch with ends beyond the horizon. When sunlight hits raindrops, they act as a prism and form a rainbow. The rainbow splits white light into many colors, shaping a high arch with ends beyond the horizon. When sunlight hits raindrops, they act as a prism and form a rainbow. The rainbow splits white light into many colors, shaping a high arch with ends beyond the horizon.
Here's the important thing to understand. Traditional headset microphones with noise cancellation rely mostly on hardware processing and microphone positioning to reduce background noise. And while many modern business headsets do a very good job, there's still limitations to what hardware alone can do, especially in noisy environments where you're sitting at cubicles, open offices, call centers, dispatch centers, or anywhere multiple people are talking nearby. Because human voices are one of the hardest noises for headset microphones to separate from your own voice. Surprisingly, a blender or a vacuum cleaner is actually easier to reduce that noise than several nearby conversations. Another thing people need to understand is that just because two headsets both claim a noise canceling microphone, that doesn't mean they perform equally. Some headset microphones suppress background noise much better than others, some isolate your voice better, and some sound much more natural and clear while reducing distractions around you. There's a massive difference between entry-level microphone noise cancellation and top-tier business headset microphones. So if your current headset isn't performing the way you want, you usually have two different solutions. Option one is to upgrade to a better headset microphone that has a more premium noise cancellation, like at the current time, the Epos Impact 1000 or Yealink HA64 Pro, for example. We'll link some of the best noise canceling headset microphones we've personally tested below. And the nice thing about this resource is we always keep it up to date. So if a new model comes out with even better noise cancellation, it gets added to the list. Or option two, pair noise canceling software like Neep with your existing headsets. And this is usually the most cost-effective solution because you may not need to replace your hardware at all. Because these really loud environments really push headset microphones to their limit, and noise cancellation in the hardware can only do so much. And software processing can make a massive difference in how professional and clear your voice sounds on calls. If you're unsure whether you need a better headset noise canceling software or both, reach out to our team. That's exactly what we do here at Headset Advisor. We help businesses and remote workers improve call quality based on their specific environment. And if you want to try Neep noise canceling software for yourself, we'll link it below along with some of the best noise canceling headset microphones we tested that I mentioned just a moment ago. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, give it a like as it helps support our company, and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more videos like this in the future.